here on Magazine Street in the Crescent City on a lovely winter's day for a visit to La Boulangerie. We are in carnival season, so king cakes are everywhere. There's a traditional French king cake, chocolate king cake, other flavors as well. They do lots of great desserts here at La Boulangerie. Today they have a mini dark chocolate tart. I think I need one of those. Sort of a weekday brunch menu. You see breakfast items, sandwiches, salads, soups. I'm a big fan of their daily special. And today they have a grilled ham and pimento cheese sandwich. One of those, please. Here at La Boulangerie, they have indoor and outdoor seating available. So do you know that old expression, too much of a good thing? Well, in this case, there may have been too much pimento cheese on this sandwich. The bread on the outside is terrific, buttery and crunchy and a little salty on the outside. The ham itself is salty, the pimento cheese itself is salty, so overall, the sandwich is wonderful, a little on the salty side. Let's try some of the relish on top, and that's the answer. That is the solution. The relish is sharp and vinegary and crunchy and a little on the sweet side, a perfect contrast to the wonderful melty goopiness of the sandwich. You get a little bit of all of those tastes and textures in each bite with the sandwich and the relish. I know we had to have dessert, right? Look at this mini chocolate tart, flaky pastry, and then, oh my gosh, so rich. The fork has trouble going through the chocolate. It's so rich inside. Look at this. Amazing. The dark chocolate filling is rich and decadent, but not too sweet. And as a result, it makes the whipped cream and the white chocolate and the milk chocolate pearls on top of the tart a little sweeter by comparison. Wonderful. And here's the last big bite of my dark chocolate tart with the flaky pastry crust and the dark chocolate filling and the whipped cream and the pearls on top. And it's rude to speak with my mouth full, but oh my gosh, that was amazing.